2019 Kia Sorento review. Packing one third row and lots of features, the Kia Sorento would be the right fit for some families. Finding the right size SUV for the family can often be difficult. You want something with space and enough seats, however, not something so large you simply can't fit it from the garage. Consider the 2019 Kia Sorento, which seeks in order to meet both needs. The Sorento is truly one of few mid-size SUVs that can come standard with another row and seating for 7. Its medium size means navigating tight roads isn't too difficult. It also limits space inside the back. The third row is outfitted best for transporting the tiny ones. The Sorento can be obtained with all-wheel drive plus in a wide assortment of trim levels that vary from budget-conscious to luxury-adjacent. You'll save some funds by choosing the base 4-cylinder engine, but be warned, its pocky acceleration will add wishing with the available V6. That engine now comes with an 8-speed automatic which should improve responsiveness and fuel economy. With numerous potential variations, you will find Kia's configuration on the Sorento for many families. Figure in standard Android Auto and Apple CarPlay support and one with the longest warranties there are among competitors, plus you've got a strong SUV with the money. What's new? There are several changes in the Sorento's hood for 2019. The V6 now comes with an 8-speed transmission that replaces last year's 6-speed, as well as the turbocharged 2.0-litre engine is not available. All Sorentos gain refreshed front and back styling and minor interior updates. Kia also has made the Sorento's 3-row seating standard equipment and changed the items in a few option packages. Starting off, avoiding the L as well as the LX, his or her base 4-cylinder engine is underpowered. Next up will be the X, which can be the Sorento's sweet spot. It comes standard with a few appealing features, for instance heated front seats with an array of active safety and driver assistance technology. And if you need more, the X provides some flexibility to opt for your luxury and tech add-ons on the higher trim levels. Trim levels and features. The 2019 Kia Sorento is often a 7-seat SUV that is obtainable in 5 trim levels: L, LX, X, SX and SX Limited. The L plus the LX are reasonably well equipped, even though the X adds a V6 engine and other convenience features. The SX trims top the stove with more luxury-oriented features. All Sorentos seat up to 7 passengers. The L along with the LX comes standard that has a 2.4-litre 4-cylinder engine, 185 horsepower, 178 pound-feet of torque along with a 6-speed automatic. EH3.3-litre V6 290 horsepower, 252 lb-ft through an 8-speed automatic is optional about the LX and standard for the X, SX and SX Limited. Although the L might be equipped with all-wheel drive. Standard feature highlights for the bed's base L include 17-inch alloy wheels, a rear-view camera, cloth upholstery, manually adjustable front seats, automatic headlights, Bluetooth, a 7-inch touch screen, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay smartphone integration, a USB port, along with a 6-speaker head unit with satellite radio along with a CD player. The LX adds a noise-reducing windshield, roof rails, front seat back pockets, 2 additional USB ports, and blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alert. When furnished with the V6, the LX gains automatic dual-zone climate control as well as a power-adjustable driver's seat. The LX's optional convenience package pads on rear parking sensors, the power-adjustable driver's seat and dual-zone automatic climate control, heated front seats, a leather-wrapped tire, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror plus an upgraded version with a 7-inch infotainment interface. This is navigation. The X has the content of the convenience package as standard and further adds 18-inch wheels, fog lights, leather upholstery, an energy-adjustable front passenger seat, rear air conditioning controls, a substitute driver information display, keyless ignition and proximity entry, rear parking sensors, an electric liftgate and noise-reducing home windows. This trim also comes standard using a suite of advanced driver safety and assistance features including forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, traffic adaptive cruise control and driver attention warning. The X's touring package has a panoramic sunroof, LED interior lighting, a heated leader, forward parking distance sensors, a 10-speaker Harman Kardon head unit, a 110-volt household-style outlet, an 8-inch infotainment display with navigation, and retractable sunshades with the rear doors. The SX comes standard with all with the above plus 19-inch wheels, LED running lights, red brake calipers, driver seat memory settings, as well as a wireless phone charger. The SX now offers its own touring package that also includes LED headlights, ventilated front seats, a heated tire, automatic wipers, automatic high-beam headlights, a surround view parking camera system and power folding side mirrors. The SX Limited starts the location where the SX Touring package leaves off, preparing it chrome-clad wheels, LED fog lights, black brake calipers, higher-grade leather upholstery and heated outboard second row seats. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically is available in multiple versions which are fundamentally similar. The S in this particular review use our full test from the Kia Sorento SX 3.3 litres V6, 6-speed automatic, AWD. Note, since this test was conducted in 2016, the actual Sorento has brought some revisions, including a new 8-speed automatic transmission for that V6 engine. Our findings remain applicable to the year's Sorento. Missing in the inline 4-cylinder engine. Acceleration. The last Sorento V6 we tested did 060 miles per hour in 7.6 seconds, which is usually a respectably quick time to get a crossover with this size. We expect the modern 8-speed automatic to improve both acceleration and pickup at lower RPM. Braking. In our emergency brake test, the V6 Sorento slowed from 60 miles per hour in 121 feet, that's about average because of this vehicle type with all-season tires. The brake pedal's operation is unobtrusive in daily driving. Steering. The steering has agreeably light effort. It's short on feedback, predictably, however it's fairly accurate when carving around turns. Inspires confidence inside Sorento's modest handling parameters as well as doesn't draw attention to itself. Good execution. Handling. Relative to your 4-cylinder Sorento, the Sorento V6 feels heavy around turns, with increased pronounced body roll. Kia says the suspension tuning would be the same, and both test vehicles had a similar tires. Extra weight would be the primary suspect. Drivability. If you cherish power, the 290 horsepower V6 is a simple choice. The new 8-speed automatic should improve its acceleration and around-town behavior, too. Overall, the Sorento is fairly easy to drive. Comfort. The standard third-row seat is kid-size, as well as the front seats could need longer bottom cushions. Otherwise, the Sorento is a comfortable crossover, featuring an impressively quiet cabin along with a smooth yet well-controlled ride that's one of many segments' best. Seat comfort. The firm padding within the front seats is often a plus on long trips, however the bottom cushions may prove short for some. The nicely shaped second-row seats slide and recline. The third row's bottom cushion is basically for the floor, comfort is at short supply. Ride comfort. The Sorento has one of the most refined rides of a typical non-luxury brand crossover. Impacts are well cushioned, yet ride motions remain disciplined. This Kia glides serenely over patchy pavement, passing on a distinctly premium feel. Noise and vibration. The Sorento, using the noise-reducing windows, delivers luxury-grade quietness. Only minimal levels of wind and road noise are evident at highway speeds. Bluetooth phone conversations might be conducted in normal tones at speed. Interior. The cabin is thoughtfully designed for your most part, faltering mainly in third-row space and access, a minimum of relative to larger crossovers. The touchscreen infotainment technique is both attractive and functional. The materials quality is top-notch, with SX trim seeming properly luxurious. Is useful. The SX trim's intuitive 8-inch touchscreen includes a distinctive font, slick graphics and quick responses. Other controls are logically arrayed without having hitches. The tire, however, would possibly not telescope out far enough for tall drivers. Getting in, jetting out. Below steep in height and wide opening doors ease usage of the first and second rows. Third row access is very challenging, however, because the step-through passage behind your second row is narrow. Roominess. The front seats are plenty spacious and provide an adequate selection of adjustments. The sliding and reclining second row seats add welcome adjustability. The third row is okay for the children, but it is a no-go for adults except possibly on short trips. Visibility. The reasonably slim windshield and side pillars have the Sorento an uncomplicated crossover to determine out of. The front corners must be visible to many drivers in tight spots. Quality. The materials are class competitive, including abundant soft touch surfaces and in some cases simulated stitching on some panels. But 3 in the 5 central buttons were blanked off. That's odd in a vehicle on this price range. Still, the coffee quality overall is acceptable. Utility. The third row folds easily via pull straps about the seatbacks, almost no room to the rear. The second row folds via nifty trunk-mounted remote handles. Cargo capacity is ample 73 cubic feet, but nevertheless trails its surrounding 3-row rivals. Plenty of nooks form of hosting items. Technology. Kia's touchscreen interfaces are some on the easiest to work with. The upgraded 7 and 8-inch units include Kia's Uvo e-services. Most in the Sorento's advanced safety tech is standard within the X and above trim levels.